In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva website to GoDaddy, step by step. Start by opening your website project in Canva so you're looking at the latest version you want to publish. When you're ready, head to the top right and click Publish Website. Canva will ask how you want to publish. Choose Use My Existing Domain, then Continue. This tells Canva you already own a domain and you'd like that domain to display your Canva site. Next, enter your GoDaddy domain name exactly as it's registered, without HTTP or extra slashes, and continue. If you're planning to use the main domain, you'll typically enter it as example.com. Canva will then provide the DNS records you need to add at your domain host. Now switch over to GoDaddy and sign in. In your account, go to My Products, find your domain, and open its DNS or DNS management. You're now looking at the DNS zone where records control where your domain points on the internet. Locate any existing A records for your root domain, usually shown with the host symbol at. Delete those old A records so they don't conflict, and then add the new A record values that Canva provided. An A record points your domain to an IP address. Replacing the old ones ensures visitors land on your Canva hosted site. Be careful to leave other records like MX records for email untouched so your email keeps working. If you see an A record for at and another for the bare domain, that's normal. Replace the ones that match the website host you previously used. Use the default TTL unless you have a reason to change it. Add the TXT record that Canva gave you as well. This TXT record is used for verification, confirming you own the domain and allowing Canva to complete the connection. Paste it exactly as provided to avoid typos. Save your changes in GoDaddy so the new records are applied. Then return to Canva and click Continue, followed by Connect. Canva will check for the records and, once found, start finalizing the connection. DNS updates aren't instant everywhere. While it often completes in a few minutes to a few hours, full propagation can take up to 48 to 72 hours depending on your network and location. During this period, some visitors may still see the old site or a temporary page until the changes spread globally. Avoid making repeated changes while waiting and give it time to settle. When propagation finishes, your Canva website will load at your GoDaddy domain and you're all set.